Good morning students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.1 fifth sum. Yesterday I already completed third and fourth sums. What is the fifth sum? So that one and only one out of n comma n plus 2 comma n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. N is any positive integer. This is the sum solution. Here one and only one out of n comma n plus 2 comma n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Three cases is there. Only in these three cases one and only one in these three is divisible by 3. For n is any positive integer. That is, we show that. Okay. Now solution is n is any positive integer. Let n be any positive integer that is given, and b equal to divisor is 3. Divisor is 3. Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. Okay. So by Euclid's division lemma, what is Euclid division lemma? N equals to BQ plus R. Condition is 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay. N equals to, actually A equals to BQ plus R is the our condition, where A equals to N be any positive integer. Here A is any positive integer. Here N is any positive integer. So N equals to B equals to 3Q plus R. 0 less than or equals to R less than B value 3. R less than 3. R is in between 0 and 3, including 0. So R equals to 0, 1, 2. These are the three cases. Okay. In these three cases, n may be in the form of, so n may be in the form of, what are they? First one, n equals to 3q plus 0, n equals to 3q plus 1, second R equals to 1, n equals to 3q plus 2. These are the three cases. In these three cases, again three values, n, n plus 2, n plus 4. These three, now we will show that. One and only one out of these three is divisible by 3. How it is? Once check. Case 1. N equals to, First one is 3q. N equals to 3q. N equals to, here 3q. 3q is divisible by 3 or not? If anyone will take any value on the place of q, it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Okay. Next, n case 1, n equals to 3q. First n equals to 3q. It is divisible by 3. Next one is n plus 2. N plus 2 means n equals to 3q plus 2. N equals to 3q is our first case. First one, n equals to 3q. It is divisible by 3. Okay, first one completed. Next, n plus 2. N plus 2. That is n value 3q. 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 is divisible by 3 or not? It is not divisible by 3 because 2 is the remainder here. Okay, so it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 3. Next, in this third one, n plus 4. Here n plus 4 is the third one. N equals to 3q plus 4. 3q, 4 can written as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 can written as 3 plus 1. So here 3 into, here common is 3. Q plus 1. 3 into something plus 1. So 3m plus 1. This is divisible by 3, but it is not, the remainder is 1. So it is also not divisible by 3. Here, so in case 1, n equals to 3q, it is divisible by 3. N plus 2, 3q plus 2, it is not divisible by 3 because remainder is 2. N plus 4, 3q plus 4, this can be written as 3m plus 1. So here also remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by 3. In first case, one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So first case 1 is completed. Now case 2. N equals to, case 2 is 3q plus 1. This is 3q plus 1 is the n value. Case 2. Now first one is n. N equals to 3q plus 1. Here also 3q, it is divisible by 3, but 1 is not divisible by 3. So 1 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 3. In the second case, first one is not divisible by 3. Second one is n plus 2. N value is 3q plus 1 plus 2 equals to 3q plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 common, q plus 1. 3 into something. So 3 into something. It is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So in the second case, first one n equals to 3q plus 1 is not divisible by 3. In the second case, second one, n plus 2, 3q plus 1 plus 2, 3q plus 3. 3q plus 3 is the common, so 3 into q plus 1, so 3 into something. So it is divisible by 3. And third one, in the second case, third one. Third one, n plus 4. N is completed, n plus 2 is completed. Now n plus 4. What is the n value? 3q plus 1. 3 cube plus 1 plus 4. 3 cube plus 5. Okay. Here 3 cube plus 5 can written as 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. This is common is 3. Cube plus 3 1 jar 3 plus 2. Here remainder is 2. It is divisible by 3. 2 is not divisible by 3. So totally it is not divisible by 3. In the second case, first one is not divisible by 3. Second one is divisible by 3. Third one is not divisible by 3. So second case also, one and only one out of these 3 is divisible by 3. That is case 2. And now case 3. Case 3. Case 3 is n equals to 3 cube plus 2. First one is 3 cube. Second one is 3 cube plus 1. Third one is 3 cube plus 2. In these three cases, the first one is n equals to 3 cube plus 2. Okay. Here 3 cube is divisible by 3, but 2 is not divisible by 3. So totally it is not divisible by 3. And second one, n plus 2. N plus 2. Second one. What is the n value here taken? 3 cube plus 2. 3 cube plus 2. Okay. 3 cube plus 2 plus 2. N value is 3 cube plus 2. Here plus 2 plus 2. So 3 cube plus 4. 3 cube plus 4 can written as 3 plus 1. Okay. Here first 2 times take a common 3. Cube plus 1. 3 into something plus 1. 3m plus 1. Here 3m is divisible by 3, but 1 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. In the third case, second one, first one not divisible by 3. What about third one? Once we will check. Okay. Third one. What is the third one? N plus 4. N plus 4. What is the n value? 3 cube plus 2. 3 cube plus 2 plus 4. 3 cube plus 2 plus 4, 6. What is the common here? 3. Cube plus 2. 3 into something. So 3 into something is always divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. In the first case, first one is divisible by 3. In the second case, second one is divisible by 3. In the third case, third one is divisible by 3. In each case, one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Therefore, our sum is, hence it is justified that, it is justified that one and only one among n plus 2, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 in each case. In the three cases, one and only one is the one and only one is divisible by 3. That is n comma n plus 2, n plus 4. In these three, only one is the one and only one case, one is divisible by 3. That is our proof. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next examples. Page number 7, example 3. Thank you.